To remove Google Authenticator from MEXC, launch your MEXC app and sign in. Now, tap on your profile icon and then look for security option. Here is it. Tap on it. And then tap on Google Authenticator. Here is it. Or tap on this arrow, whichever one. So here it's saying, unlink Google Authenticator to ensure security of your account. After unlinking Google Authenticator, both crypto and fiat withdrawal will be prohibited for 24 hours. Just that you will not be able to make withdrawals from the account for 24 hours. Because for security reasons, that's what they are telling you. And then I'll have to tap on confirm. Then I'll be asked to get a code from my email. So I'll tap get code and OTP will be sent to my email. So let me tap on get code. And now I'm being asked to enter Google Authenticator code. So if I no longer have access to Google Authenticator, what I'll do is I'll use reset security. So, but if I still have access to it, I'll just copy the code from Authenticator and put it here and get the code from my email. And then the Google Authenticator will be removed from my account. Now, let me say I don't have access to my Google Authenticator again. I'll tap on reset security. And then I'm being asked to choose the verification that is not working. Even if you are trying to sign in and you no longer have access to your authenticator, you just have to choose the same option. There will always be an option that will tell you authentication or verification method unavailable. Just choose it or reset verification. Then I'll just choose that this one is not working. See, reset Google Authenticator, and then I'll tap on reset. And then I will now be asked to enter the code from my email. So now let me tap on get code, and the code has been sent to my email. Now I've gotten the code from my email, which is 971267. Then I'll tap on submit. So in the next page, I'm being asked to provide proof of funding source, proof of funding destination, but all these are optional. They are all optional. As you can see, they are all optional. Or even description, I think this one is optional too. So I'll just tap on next. Let's see what happens. Then in the next page, I'm being asked to verify my phone number. I don't know if this is because I did not enroll any number in this account, or I don't know, but I think that might be the reason. So there is no number in the account, it's only email, and they are telling me to verify my account, and because the account is also not verified too. So for you to be able to unlink the Google Authenticator, if you have forgotten it, you have to verify the account. You have to verify it. So because this account is not verified, that's why they're asking me to provide other passport, driving license, and so on. So if I can be able to provide this now and then check on this, or if my account is verified and I can be able to submit this, the Google Authenticator will be removed from my account. So that is where I'm going to stop for now, because there's no money in the account and I'm not planning to verify this account anytime soon. So I'll not be making use of the account. It's just for tutorial purpose. So let me just go back and get the authenticator code. Okay, let's say, okay, here I have to tap on get code again. Okay, the code has been sent. Now I've gotten the code from my email, which is 439945. 439945. Yes, 439945. Then the authenticator code. Let me get the authenticator code. I'll go to my Google Authenticator and then I'll tap on this. The code has been copied. And then I'll go to my MEXC and tap on paste, and then I'll tap submit, and then the Google Authenticator has been removed. So that's why I said in the previous video of how to link it that you should back up with the 16 key digit phrase in case you lost access to it. You can as well put the key back to your authenticator and then you will still get the code back. So that is it. And that is all on how to remove Google Authenticator from MEXC account. Now, your MEXC account security is low. Don't forget to enable another or any other authenticator app that you can get your hands on. Now, support my channel by liking and subscribing to it, and I will see you in the next video.